I'm Sunita Dua. I'm from Delhi itself, born and brought up in Delhi only. Recently I got my medical checkup done and realized that I'm in a pre-diabetic stage. My sugar has not really gone up, but still I'm in pre-diabetic stage, and cholesterol was also a little high, and I have been suffering from GRD. Gastric reflux has been there, and due to that I've been getting pain in my chest, and those are real severe pains that I get. So when I went to show my reports to Dr. Manchanda, he recommended that since these are not the diseases in itself, these are just lifestyle problems, so why don't you practice and visit this place, Riksha Sadhana Kendra, and just see. I mean, this might change your lifestyle and you might be relieved of these problems. So my husband was also suffering from the same thing, so both of us decided to come here. And here we are, and 7 days were really an amazing experience. And what I have experienced is what you say, that it's at Sukshma level, at micro level. The experiences have been different. It is nothing which you see it just comes out, not that. It has been very, very Sukshma and micro. I mean, there have been times when there were mindlessness, and when I forgot I was a living creature. I mean, I had lovely experiences which cannot be expressed into words, but it was good. And top of that, accompanied with naturopathy and psychotherapy, it's been a holistic approach towards healthy life. And if we practice all this, I'm sure all these problems are going to. I have been going through a traumatic period for the last 2.5 years. I lost my father-in-law about 2.5 months back. My mother expired about a month back. She was suffering from Alzheimer and staying with me. I used seeing her decaying every day, day by day, and not able to even manage her own activities was a little traumatic. So here I realized, I mean, it's the positive reinforcement that you have to give to yourself to elevate yourself from these things, from these fears. I mean, if you look at the director, Jen, I mean, you will find him all around looking after each and everything himself. Whatever we have paid is hardly any amount, but the facilities they have given us, I mean, it's peanuts. Even naturopathy is at a very economical rate. Things are good. For the kind of money that we have shelled out, it's hardly anything. So it's value for money, more than value for money. I mean, the body which has been eating so much, and all the problems that we are facing right now, BP, sugar and cholesterol, is because of the food we eat, and the exercising is not there. A healthy food, healthy diet, scientifically planned, and whatever is required for the body, especially when you are meditating and practicing yoga abhyas, you need to detoxify. So they are taking care of that, and well planned, well balanced.